Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this world. Today's video is going to be all about how I remove my eyelash extensions. Sometimes I'll wake up and I'll just have 3 hanging on for dear life and I need to get rid of them. So first I start off with an eyelash glue remover. You can either buy this from Amazon for about $8, or I like to make my own using Vaseline and grapeseed oil. Making your own isn't as strong, so usually I'll just apply it overnight and it'll help it dissolve the eyelash glue for the morning. I then go ahead and apply it on the top and the bottom. It is really important to go all the way from the bottom to the top, get all inside the nooks and crannies of every single lash. After about 5 minutes, I'll start testing and seeing if any lashes come off. Some of them can get pretty stubborn though, especially if I went a little heavy on the glue on some of them. So I go ahead and try it, but if it does not come off, then do not force it to come off. You will rip your own eyelashes off, and I have definitely done this before. It is not very fun. So I'll just reapply a little more on the bottom, a little more on the top, and after a while it'll start to just come out on its own again. After it's all done, make sure you wash your face, wipe your eyes, and you are all good to go. Thanks for watching.